Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Oily Housewife. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Love doing these kind of videos for you. As you can see, I'm kind of still half asleep. I actually slept in my makeup last night, and I know that's like a big no-no, but I mean, because I have like the Satin Minerals, it's all natural. I'm not too scared or too like, ooh, about it. But I want to wash my face, I gotta brush my teeth, do my usual morning routine, but I wanted to show you guys my new product that I got. I didn't try it out yet, which I think this would be like a perfect try with me or kind of like a review video, because it's for the Mirah Lustrous Cleansing Oil. This is actually new to me. I have not tried it yet, and I'm excited, but it's a oil based cleanser because I do have the Bloom. If you guys saw my previous video, which I'll leave a link here, I wash my face with the Bloom. I also set my skin like with the brightening essence and then the lotion. So I did kind of like my after shower routine. My stomach just growled. I'm getting hungry. It's morning time, so I want to wash my face, kind of do my routine, show you guys my process. You know what? I gotta brush my teeth first. I can feel it, so hold on. Okay, I love that. So much better. Let me read the directions first. Apply 3 to 4 pumps to dry hands and massage into face to cleanse and remove makeup. Rinse with warm water. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. Let me take off my ring because I don't want to get oil in between. All right, so 3 to 4 pumps, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna do 4. Okay. Let us see. I'm kind of like, I'm gonna look like a raccoon, and this is all for you guys, okay? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? Like, okay, it actually feels super good on the skin. I mean, it is an oil. All right, it's time for me to rinse this off. I'm so curious if it like takes off like all the mascara. I can already see like, takes a lot off, so hold on. I'm gonna do a rinse. I'm gonna do one more scrubby under the eyes. All right, where's my sink? All right, here he goes. Okay, so I'm quite surprised. It actually, you guys, it took off my mascara. I mean, usually the wipes would do that, but I never ever tried a cleansing oil before. It took off my mascara, like all of it. I'm so surprised. Okay, my skin actually feels really good. Nothing. Okay, that is... I'm in love with this Mirah cleansing oil. Wow, okay. Skin is fresh, and of course, if you guys saw my last video, I'm going to actually put my, hold on, how am I doing this? Face serum. Now, I'm actually gonna take my little, what is this one? Amethyst? I don't remember which one this is. My little roller. Alright, since today I'm just going to be home around the house, probably doing some cleaning, I'm actually going to put my Wolfberry Under Eye Cream. Now this one, yes, you use before you go to sleep, but again, I'm just going to be home and I need some help. I slept horribly last night, so I need like a pick-me-up, help me kind of cream. So I'm just going to kind of like tap this into my skin very lightly. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. And then again, just kind of press it. And this absorbs into the skin so nice. It's like, it is thicker. I'm going to tell you guys that right now. Ooh! So it is a little bit thicker. But it is so nice under the eyes. Okay, so my face is clean, right? I did the Mirah and I did my little oil roller and then actually my face roller. Wow, there's a lot of rollers. Now I'm actually gonna go with my Bloom brightening essence and then the brightening lotion, and then I'm done. So give me 1 second. Alright you guys, that's it. So this is my kind of like my morning routine. Brush my teeth, wash my face if I slept in with my makeup. But I'm gonna tell you guys, the Mirah, I'm actually surprised. I think it's more like the mascara. Like you guys saw, my mascara is completely off. I have nothing. I even wiped my face and there's no mascara on my towel. So I think that's pretty good. This, obsessed. Yes, it's good. You guys have to give it a try. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that I did today, please leave a comment down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.